Dun 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 dun.
Finally, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Breville Mini Smart Oven.
Does it mean that it's like Wi-Fi ready?
It means it comes with Element IQ. Ooh!
Oh. All this means is that you can program it to do like chicken, beef, steak, right?
No, so this little bad boy here comes with an Element IQ technology, which basically, as he mentions, you can put your different kinds of items. It is an 11-inch
Nice.
oven, so it can actually take an 11-inch pizza, so it's a decent size, right?
Like a mini pizza, not a gigantic pizza.
Well, you know, decent size.
Okay.
It has a frozen foods button as well. You know, when you
Nice.
have your food coming from the refrigerator, you can just defrost. It comes with 8 preset functions, and we'll talk about it in a minute. And it's an 1800 watt high power smart mini oven. I think we've seen enough. I think we're ready.
This is an unboxing.
And this is so this is from the Breville family.
Yeah.
Okay, Alex, take that away.
Instruction manuals. You know how much we love these.
Okay, take the box away, please.
Okay. All right. There's one more item down here.
All right, let's see what that is.
All right, so we have a surprise item here. You want to open this first?
Yes.
Okay. So go
Excuse
ahead.
me?
It's
Oh,
yours.
I know what it is.
What is it?
Here we have the different pans that you can use on the device. Oh, the grills. So you can, and this is the crumb pan.
Okay. Nice.
I like that it is individually packaged. It doesn't come directly in the box. It's not scratching it. It's not destroying it.
Once again, enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it. Share it with your mom, share it with your grandmother, because you know your moms and grandmas love to cook, dads love to bake. This video is for everyone. I love Breville. I have seen their products. They tend to be on the mid-range of prices. So we'll talk about all of that when we do the actual product review. Once again, this is a Christmas moment right after Christmas for all of us. So can we do one test, please? You know what my test is?
The first test.
Is always some, whoa.
Here we go.
First of all, this is a heavy duty plug. This is a heavy duty plug.
The fact that it has a hole in there looks like, oh, I know what it is. So they're very clever. They put a hole on the cord because in the back of the device has 2 hooks here and here. So apparently when you're hooking the cable around and you end it, you can hook this bad boy.
Cool.
And then you can store it and hold it there if you don't want the cable hanging around. Let's look at the front of the device.
Let's talk about this. Size-wise, I love it.
It's a nice size. It's
I
not
like
too
it.
big, but it's not too small.
I like it. In the back, it has your standard vents. And on
The
the
good thing
side,
about the back, also, I'm glad you mentioned that, it has a little bump, which
Yeah.
means it gives you a little extra room.
so if you put it against the wall, it's not gonna get it.
But you
flat.
also, this is extra depth that you're getting.
Yeah.
So when you put it, let's say, your pizza pan, you're getting an extra, oh yes! Oh, we got it, oh yes, look at this.
Let me see. Oh wow!
Yes!
Yeah, that's pretty big.
So now the basic thing that we have to do is put the grills on it. These go up or down usually?
They go up. Usually they go up.
One grill, chrome bottom piece. It's very, I'm gonna say it's very right now. Can't be. Just like you know.
Is it close?
No, it doesn't. So it doesn't go there. We might need the instructions for this one.
First time ever.
You want to do
So
the
this
honors?
one is nice. This one will definitely fit in here. That's for items like you know, if you're baking cupcakes or you're doing little things like that, it definitely fits right in. So right here, folks, we figured it out.
So we had a little issue trying to figure out what this dustpan goes or whatever it is. But we figured out that this guy goes right here. When the door is closed, you put it through. That's what it is. But it looks like it goes the other way. Why? I'm not sure.
Yeah, because when you put your hand under to pull it out.
So this is actually the crumb pan, and it doesn't go inside, it goes in the bottom with the door closed. See, then you can, and the best part about it is that I've seen other items that you have to open the door and you have to take it from inside and kind of slip up. This you don't. It's closed, you can leave it there, just go straight out and get your little crumbs and empty them out. So some of the buttons here, as you can see, we have toast, you have bagel, you can bake, you have pizza, you can reheat, you have an axe for cookies, broil, and roast. So here we have the menu where you can see the darkness, and then let's say if you're doing bread or a menu, you have how many slices you're doing, and the machine actually will know how to cook it, basically. You have the time presets here, how dark you want it, the start and stop button, a bit more. And I've never seen that.
A bit more? We're gonna have to definitely look at the manuals to see what that means.
So, and also
probably like 30 seconds or in a minute?
Yeah, maybe that's what we have to figure out. It also has a Fahrenheit or a Celsius temperature button. If you're in Europe.
Fahrenheit!
Or yeah, you do Celsius. And finally it has the defrost button. But I cannot wait to test that a bit more button. Look at this. It has a bit more button. Not ready. Leave it a little more.
That seems kind of cool.
So this is the Breville Mini Smart Oven with Element IQ. I cannot wait to put it to the test, and I'm sure you are, because we're gonna do some delicious
pizzas.
I don't think they heard me. So we're gonna be putting some delicious foods in there. And yeah, this is the unboxing. I hope you guys like this video. Alright guys, so this has been a total kitchen unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for future videos where we're going to be testing each of these items, and we can't wait because we're going to be tasting some delicious foods in them.
Let us know also if you love any one of these. Have you tried any of these items, or which one is your favorite? Which one is the one you can't live without?
What is your favorite from this?
My favorite one has to be this. This one basically replaces this, replaces this. No, this one.
No, it can't replace a coffee maker.
It can't replace a coffee maker, but it replaces the toaster, and it replaces the panini maker. So this one you could do way more. You can't put a pizza here.
You're right. I just love the spiralizer. I can't wait to use it. This is so entertaining for me.
Well.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and
hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these awesome videos.
We'll see you on the next one.
TeamKLoWhat
Reviews.